Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into the charm and elegance of Disney's Boardwalk Villas, specifically the Deluxe Studio Room. This beautiful resort captures the whimsy of the turn-of-the-century Atlantic City with Disney's signature magic. Let's step inside and explore. As we step into the Deluxe Studio, you're immediately greeted by a cozy and inviting space. Perfect for families or couples, this room balances comfort with style. The main area is thoughtfully designed with a queen-size bed, a pull-out bed, and a Murphy bed, making it ideal for up to 5 guests. Notice the subtle nods to Disney throughout the decor. It's like a treasure hunt of hidden Mickeys. From the intricate headboard designs to the vintage style art, the room pays homage to the Boardwalk theme while keeping it modern and fresh. One of the best features of this deluxe studio is the private balcony. It's the perfect spot to relax with a morning coffee or unwind after a long day. Just look at that view. Over here we have a fully equipped kitchenette complete with microwave, mini fridge, sink, and coffee maker. It's perfect for quick breakfasts or late night snacks after a day at the parks. The bathroom is both functional and stylish, featuring a spacious vanity area with plenty of storage. This wraps up our tour of the Deluxe Studio Room here at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. Whether you're here for a family vacation or a romantic getaway, this room offers the perfect blend of comfort and Disney magic. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more hotel room tours. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.